Cool. All right. So, who are you? What do you do? And why do you care about drugs?
My name's Kira London-Nadeau. I am a PhD student at the University of Montreal. I study the relationships between weed and mental health, in particular in queer and trans communities and queer and trans youth. And I also work with Canadian Students for Sensible Drug Policy as the co-chair of the national board, and more locally here in Jojage, which is colonially known as Montreal. I do some cannabis education here too through an initiative called VoxCan, which offers cannabis education in English and in French. And for the past few years, I've been really interested in drugs in general, drug advocacy, drug policy, but in particular, cannabis and cannabis use. I think that the role of mind-altering substances in our communities and in relation to ourselves and what we can learn about ourselves, what we can learn about others, how we can bond and connect with others is so interesting. And the topic of cannabis and of drugs in general is generally limited to the legal status or to the health concerns and perspectives that surround either cannabis use or drug use in general. And I'm just really interested in more of the social aspect, more of the community, and what are the ways in which we can integrate our drug use into a perspective of doing well and pleasure and harm reduction and community and connection.